If AI could do your job better, faster, cheaper, what happens to you? That's the fear, right? That one morning we wake up and AI has replaced humans. I hear this all the time. AI will take all the jobs and humans will be obsolete. Like a switch flips and boom, no more artists, no more doctors, no more drivers. It sounds dramatic, and it makes for headlines. Here's the messy truth. AI replaces tasks, not people. Jobs are bundles of tasks. Routine, creative, emotional. AI is crushing the routine. Summarizing data, drafting emails, spotting patterns, testing code that doesn't erase the job. It reshapes it. I've seen teachers use AI to prep lessons faster, then spend more time with students. Doctors use it to scan images, then focus on tough diagnoses and bedside talk. Creators use it to brainstorm, then refine the story only a human can tell. Yes, some roles will shrink or shift. New ones appear. AI editor prompt, designer model auditor, synthetic data architect. We've done this before with calculators, spreadsheets, the internet. So what changes next? Expect work to move from doing to directing. Less manual, more managerial. Be great at asking the right questions, checking outputs, stitching tools together. Soft skills rise in value. Judgment, taste, ethics, empathy. And learning won't stop at graduation. It becomes a loop. Will AI replace some people? If I do only what a machine can, yes. But if I combine human strengths with AI leverage, I don't get replaced. I get upgraded. So here's my challenge. Pick one task you do weekly, automate 20% with AI, and use the saved time to improve the part only you can do. That's how I stay relevant in an AI future. By building it, not fearing it.